Good morning, girls. I'm Najia Almas, Assistant Professor from the Department of English. I'm here with your lesson apostrophe. We did the first part yesterday. That was that we use apostrophe to show the omission of one or more letters in a contraction. Today we are going to learn that we use apostrophe to show ownership or possession of something. To show ownership and possession of something, we use words such as belongs to, possessed by, owned by, of. And I have some of the examples here. For example, the umbrella that belongs to Alia, the toys possessed by children, the car owned by my sister, the gentleness of my father. So you can see we use certain words to show the ownership, such as belongs to, possessed by, owned by, of. So this umbrella belongs to Alia, toys possessed by children, car owned by my sister, gentleness of my father. So these words define that something belongs to these people. Let's explore that how can we write the same sentences by using apostrophe. Alright, now you can see Alia's umbrella. Alright, sorry, it's an S. So we put apostrophe comma and we use S. This shows the possession. Alright, this umbrella belongs to Alia. Now here, children's toys apostrophe with S. It shows children's possession over some toys. Again, my sister's car. This apostrophe and this S tells us that this car belongs to my sister. My father's gentleness. S apostrophe, and this tells us that it is a talk about my father's gentleness. So this is how we use apostrophe to show the ownership or possession of somebody over something. Similarly, this is a tab which belongs to my daughter. Alright, if I write here Maz or Ma Noors, so it defines that this thing belongs to somebody whose name is Mahnur. Similarly, it is written Alia's over this book, so it defines that this book belongs to Alia. I believe that you are having a very good idea about how apostrophe works when it has to show the ownership of somebody over something. Okay, now there comes a question. If you are using a word or if you are showing the ownership of something that is possessed by a group of people, alright, so we have a plural here, and how we have to use apostrophe by showing the possession. How we do that? We will not add apostrophe plus S to show the ownership. We simply add apostrophe over S to show the possession. You can see the player's victory, the soldier's hat. So it comes over S, not before S. It would come over S. And this is how we simply, by adding an apostrophe, show the possession of somebody over something. So that was all for the day, girls, and you have to go for an activity, which is to write down some of the examples for both the usage of apostrophe to show the omission of a letter or more letters, and to show the possession of somebody over something. So you have to write down some of the examples, and you have to write down the example of plurals that end in s. All right, and you will do that by simply adding the apostrophe rather than apostrophe plus s. So you have to write down 5 examples of each of them. So it would make 15 total examples. So best of luck for these, girls. Have a good day. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.